Hello everyone, this is your channel Math Solution Silent Show. Today I am replying to a comment in which I got a question. The question is: a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distances on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk each other. Find the length of each string. So according to given information, I have made this circular park boundary, and three boys, A for Ankur, S for Syed and D for David, are situating at equal distances, and the length of the string be AS, SD and AD. I let the length of this string be 2A. So AS is equals to SD is equals to AD is equals to 2A, and the radius is given that 20 meter. It means that I have marked the radius with red color. This OA and OS is equals to 20 meters. I let this OP distance as x meter. So the total length of the AP becomes OA plus OP, which is equals to 20 plus x meters. I draw this AP perpendicular on a line SD, which divides SD in two equal parts, SP and PD. So the distances of SP and PD be A meters. Because the total length I have taken 2A, so the half distance be A meters. So as AP is perpendicular on SD, so in triangle APS, I am using Pythagoras theorem, which is the square of hypotenuse AS square is equals to the sum of squares of perpendicular and base. So AS square is equals to AP square plus SP square. So the value of AS is 2A. So square of 2A is equals to square of 20 plus x and square of A. By solving this we get 4A square, and I am taking this A square this side, is equals to, using formula A plus B whole square, square of 20 400 plus square of x square plus 2ab 2 into 20 40x. Further solving this equation, 3a square becomes x square plus 40x plus 400. I am arranging this equation. Now the value of a square becomes x square plus 40x plus 400 and upon 3. Now again I am using this Pythagoras theorem to this right triangle OPS. So in triangle OPS, by Pythagoras theorem, again we have to use the same theorem, the square of hypotenuse. It means OS square is equals to the square of perpendicular plus the square of base. Now substituting this value, the value of OS is 20. So square of 20 is equals to the value of OP is x, square of x, and the value of SP is A, so square of A. Now the square of 20 becomes 400, the square of x remains same, and I am substituting this value of A square here. So the value of A square is x square plus 40x plus 400 upon 3. By taking LCM, we get 400 is equals to 3x square plus x square plus 40x plus 400 upon 3. Now multiplying 3 this side, it becomes 1200. 3x square plus x square becomes 4x square plus 40x plus 400. Now further solving this equation, we get 4x square plus 40x plus 400 minus 1200 equals 0. So it gives us 4x square plus 40x minus 800 is equals to 0. Now dividing whole equation by 4 or by taking 4 as common, we get x square plus 10x minus 200 is equals to 0. Now using middle term splitting method, we can split this equation, that is 200. We are splitting this 10 as 20 into 10. That is x square plus 20x minus 10x minus 200 is equals to 0. X is common, x plus 20. Now here minus 10 is common. It becomes x plus 20 equals 0. So the two factors are x plus 20 and x minus 10 equals 0. By this we got two values of x, that is minus 20 and 10. The value minus 20 gets neglected because length never be negative. Now we got the value of x, which is 10 meters. Now we have to find the value of a. So I'm going to substitute this value here in equation 1. Or to make the question easy, we can substitute this value in equation 2, which is easier than equation 1. So we got the square of 20 is equals to the square of x plus a square. Now it becomes 400 is equals to square of 10 plus a square. It gives us 400 minus 100 is equals to a square. It gives us a is equals to under root 300, which can be further solved as under root 3 into 100, and it gives us a is equals to 10 root 3 meters. Now finally we got our values of AS, SD and AD, that is 2a meters, which is equals to 2 into 10 root 3. Answer is 20 root 3 meters. We can further solve this equation by substituting the value of root 3, which is 1.732 approximately, and it gives us the result 34.64 meters. So this is the final solution or final answer. The length of each string is 20 root 3 meters or 34.64 meters if the value of root 3 is given. Otherwise this value is approximate and the answer is 20 root 3 meters. Again I am going to show you the question from starting. Thank you.